In this film, we will show you how to easily install artificial turf in your garden so that you can enjoy a beautiful and maintenance-free lawn from Easyturf. Start by measuring the area and plan where it is best to start from. Remember, the turf should always be rolled in the same direction. Leave a longer margin of turf across the edge. Fold up both long sides of the artificial turf. The long leftover sides of the backing carpet must be cut. The grass can now be placed. Make sure the seams of the carpet fit together well. It is now ready to glue the joints. First off, fold the sides and make sure the back of the carpet is clean and dry. Pull out the seaming tape and make sure that it is rolled out straight and evenly between the carpets. Now, pull off the plastic film protecting the glue. To obtain nice joints, make sure that there is no grass on the glue. In order to achieve good quality in the glue, it is important that all the joints are tightened carefully. You can now finally cut the artificial turf around the edges. This is done from within the area of the perimeter. Finally, add and spread sand on the artificial turf. Use a shovel or a sand spreader for this job. Finish off by saving costs with your artificial turf. Congratulations on the new Easyturf lawn.